Today we're going to do a fall-inspired bread, which is pumpkin bread. So let's get to it.
Today we're going to be starting off with our pumpkin bread recipe with 1 pound coffee cans. And what we're going to be doing with these coffee cans is we're going to be spreading butter all on the inside, and then we're going to be sprinkling it with flour. Make sure it just gets all in there. This is what it should look like.
Because everything's better with butter.
So we're going to be cracking some eggs into a big bowl with a whisk. Exactly 4. Sorry. So let's just crack it.
Make sure you have excellent eggs.
Okay, that one. Just do it. Oops. Sorry. It's okay. I'll just do the next one. So now that we have our eggs, we're going to beat them with a whisk. So now that they're all blended nicely, we will be adding 1 can of pumpkin oil.
And you will have this 100% pure pumpkin.
It doesn't really matter what filling, it's just one we're using.
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like fall. Pumpkin guts. It smells like fall. We're just starting our new fall stuff. Because it's only
Season.
September 14th.
Come on, don't be shy.
Ready? You can go ahead and mix it. Beat that can. Okay, it's good. I think it's good.
It's not.
There.
Okay,
it's
that's
good.
all. Okay. We mix it with this or the
Yeah, just missed it. Mix it. Wow. We're mixing it. Woohoo.
Yeah, I think I need a whisk.
So now we're going to be adding 3 cups of sugar. This is the sugar. You keep mixing it.
Oh yeah, that works better.
In goes 1.
Oh
You don't
gosh,
have to-
that's a lot of sugar.
That's just 1. Well, this does make 3 cans.
It's snowing.
When it's only fall. Sugar
That's-
in there.
And so that's what it should look like after you're done,
All
like
the sugar's in there. And then we're going to be adding
sugar, honey. It should look like a
Add flour.
creamy, slimy, goopy mixture. See, like
add flour.
yeah, sure.
Okay, so
You can
3 of
keep-
this, 1 of that.
You keep mixing.
Ooh, it's looking really thick and nice.
This is gonna make it a lot thicker.
Because we're adding 3.5 cups of flour. It's okay if it's not really precise.
I like being precise.
That was it? Oh. I was
Yeah.
like,
That's not it.
mix it real good.
You're flying flour everywhere.
Oops.
Oh, put it back.
Why?
You don't want to.
Oopsie. these.
There.
And goes the flour.
Oh my gosh, don't stir.
Oh, that kind of like is the shape of the cup. That's
Yeah.
cool. And then you're gonna add a half a cup of
There's
flour.
like seriously flour everywhere. It's snowing.
In fall. And then after all this is mixed well, we're going to be adding 1 cup of oil. You mix it while I prepare it.
Yep. You should like get this really thick consistency. And it should like look
Kind of
like
like
this.
cookie dough or like batter or something.
Should look like this with like thick. Oops.
So
It look like with like
You're gonna-
white speckles. And it.
you're gonna do 1 cup of oil and you're just gonna pour that in there.
This is workout. Oh, now it looks like glossy.
Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a pumpkin-y color.
Pumpkin color. I feel like I just like pulled this out of a pumpkin.
Do you want me to mix?
Sure.
Okay. And this is gonna be super delicious, or at least I think. If anybody doesn't like pumpkin, you're crazy, but
Because it's a
That's
main
okay.
core ingredient.
that's okay though, I guess.
Everyone's special and unique in their own way.
Wow. So keep stirring until everything that we put in here is mixed in, and it should kind of look like a pumpkin, maybe. I don't know. It should just look like that, and then you're good for the next step. So we're going to be needing to mix some spices all together.
Spicy and dicey, so nicey. Pumpkin bread. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So let's get this.
It's this lovely Armor and Hammer baking soda. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Yeah.
Just put it in. And then just a little this time. Because we added a lot. Special best choice, ground nutmeg. And now we're going to be using 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Dee-dee-dee.
Pull that spice and go. Okay, we are gonna use best choice of ground cinnamon with sticks on the front.
And now we're going to mix it till, you just think it's kind of fully blended. It
Mix
should be
it.
like a cinnamon brown color because we used a lot of ground cinnamon. So,
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
and now you're
mix
going to
it,
be pouring
mm.
it into the pumpkin batter.
Make sure to mix it while you're
Pouring it in.
This looks so cool, but so disgusting at the same time.
No, it looks like fall.
Mix it. This is how you do it.
Okay,
Mix
let me
it, mix it,
mix
mix it.
Kind of get the sides, make sure everything is, in that pumpkin bread because you want to enjoy it the best you can, make it for parties, all that good stuff that pumpkin bread could be used for.
Okay, now we're going to be pouring the batter into the cans. We've already done 2.
2 of them, and they kind of like go to right there where my finger is.
So let me just add the rest of the batter in. This part's so satisfying.
Ooh, just watch it go and do it fast though. So when you get all that batter in, do 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 do.
So now we have them evenly filled like this, and now we're gonna put them in the oven. Where's our pumpkin bread?
Yeah, where is it?
There it is.
So glad we didn't lose the most delicious thing in the world. Alrighty, now we're going to be using the good old toothpick trick. So just poke your toothpick in. If it comes out clean, which mine is,
Mine's clean also.
then it's ready. If it comes out dirty, then it's not. So I'm going to check this one. Perfectly clean.
They're
all ready. So now we've got our pumpkin bread out and ready. You just want to kind of tip over the can and just kind of pat it. And it should come out clean. If it didn't, well then, we're sorry. But, so, here's our pumpkin bread.
Let's get our knife and check it out. I don't know that I've got a better knife. Let's get cutting. Oh, that was such a clean slice. That's what it looks like on the inside. It is steaming hot,
It
you guys.
smells so good.
Okay, then just keep on cutting.
Till you're satisfied with your slices of bread. It really does smell so good.
So,
We've got our slices right here and it feels so warm and toasty.
like, I can seriously see the steam rising off of it, and it's so buttery. So, we're gonna go to bed because it's like 10:11 right now. So, and just a shout out because this is our grandma's recipe. So, hope you guys like your pumpkin bread. Bye.
Happy fall season.